Alright, today we're going to make a homemade Oreo ice cream without a machine. First, we're going to start with that I've been already freezing with the frozen metal bowl and the wire attachment. And we're going to start by putting a pint, which makes 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Make sure it's really cold. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. You want to over whip it until thickened. Right, this might be really thickened. Now we're going to add 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And look at all these really condensed. It's from the can. I'm just going to get a rubber spatula to scrape from the can. There's a lot of sweetened condensed milk. And you want to keep whipping it until creamy. That looks just perfect. I'm just going to move these with a wire attachment. And now we're going to add right into here, like these. Milk's favorite cookies, Oreos. You can try with any of the Oreo cookies, golden Oreo cookies, double stuff, even the mega stuff. But today, I'm going to use the one with the Milk's favorite Oreo cookies. It depends how much cookie would you like that you can put it into for the no churn ice cream. So let's go on for the 24 cookies begin with, that I'm going to put it into this resealable plastic baggie. We're going to use this kitchen hammer to crush that, and we're going to bang it. Alright, this might be crushed. We're going to add this right in. I'm just going to put it little by little. And I'm going to fold it in. Alright, it just folded in of those Oreo cookies right inside after it's been just whipped. And we're going to put this in the loaf pan. Has been already lined with plastic wrap. So I tried to put more of the Oreo cookies because we're going to have a lot of it inside of this no churn ice cream. We're going to put that from here. You can see all the colors of the Oreo cookies. And it might be showing it and hiding into the bowl. There you go. And I just counted only 36 Oreo cookies. It has been from the packet of the 4.3 ounce. That I keep crushing over using with a kitchen hammer right in for the resealable plastic baggie. So if I have more of these, we're going to sprinkle right on top, right in the end. Before we're going to freeze it, you're going to spread it evenly on the edges. And look at all those all the way onto that. Now you can sprinkle up the more Oreo cookies right on top of that. Then you have the remaining one. And we're going to cover it with more plastic wrap loosely. You can sprinkle all the way. If you don't want to put too much Oreo cookies, you can put less. Then you're going to cover it loosely with more plastic wrap. And we're going to put this in the freezer for overnight. Make sure to check the ice cream. Keep an eye on it. And I'm going to see you after overnight. Here we go. After it's been, I'm guessing, for 4 hours or overnight, you can do that for at least 5 or 6 hours. So I'm checking the ice cream, how they going for it. It's going to be nice and firm. And you can see lots of Oreos right on top of it that I kept sprinkling for more. Alright, let's see how it looks. Oh, and look at all those Oreos. Now, if you like, you can garnish with more of these Oreo cookies right on top of that after you've just been scooped. And here you go. You have a finished homemade Oreo ice cream without the machine, or you can also say without an ice cream maker. Churn free, simple and easy to make. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view all videos to watch for sharing. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Always remember, don't forget to smash like button. I hope it's going to be Oreo-licious. As always, let's dig in.